Hi, this is Jacob with Mars Heating, and today we're going to be replacing this outdoor unit. I'm guessing this is at least 12 years old. We're going to be replacing this with a Carrier Infinity Series heat pump system. Now it has, we'll come inside here, it already has Carrier Infinity air handler, and we're going to be keeping this. This is in great shape still. We're going to be adding an air scrubber to this system, and we're also going to be replacing the existing Infinity control, which is right there. We're going to be replacing that with a new Carrier Infinity touch control. So that's pretty much the scope of the job. Oh, also, we're going to be adding a 12 by 12 supply duct up there. In this room, there's two 6-inch ducts, and improperly sized for this room. So there's just not enough air. And so we're going to be adding a 12 by 12 with a volume damper, so it's going to be fully adjustable. And also with the Infinity Series heat pump, we actually needed a little more ductwork with this, so that worked out perfect. Got a place to add it. That's where they needed heat. So it's going to be great. I'll take some video as we go along. So here we are at the end of the day. Our new Carrier Infinity Series variable speed heat pump is installed. The old heat pump was actually one of the first generations of Infinity Series, but it's nothing like this. This is, first off, this is extremely quiet. This is running right now. Super, super quiet. The only quieter piece of equipment that we have is a ductless mini split by Daikin. Absolutely insane. We have this new unit secured to the cement here with some metal strap. That's per code now in case of an earthquake. But let's go inside now. I was talking about before, they were always cold in this room here. So we went ahead and took care of that duct there. So we added that duct, and that it's a nice 12-inch by 12-inch diffuser. So it's really going to help move the air out here. So that's great. And then on top of that, new Infinity touch control. Much more simple operation than the old touch control. Actually, it wasn't even a touch control, it was just the original Infinity control. So, big step up here. Like I said, we needed a little more duct work on the system, so this takes care of there not being heat out here. And we get to add a little duct work to the system here. So we were a little undersized. Some alarm going off. And over here we have our air scrubber. We put it on the return side. Usually we'll put an air scrubber on the supply side after the filter. In this situation, eventually they may add a register or a duct coming out of there. So we opted for putting it in the return. I have one in my place, and it is in the return side of my ductwork, and it works fabulous. So that's what we opted for. But everything's looking great. So that's it. I'll come out here one more time so you guys can hear this. It's just so quiet. Anyway, that's the Carrier Infinity variable speed system.